Hello everybody, this is Jennifer and I wanted to do a quick video for you today. I know that it has actually been a little bit of time since I've done a video, but I have been in the lab just putting together some projects that we're going to be unveiling over the next several weeks and upcoming months. And it's just going to make 2011 an extremely transformative year. I am so excited about that, about taking things to the next level, and we definitely invite you to participate with us on that journey. But what I wanted to do with this video was to talk to you about a webinar that me and my business partner, Ms. Sarah Johnson, are hosting this upcoming Sunday evening at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This webinar is in conjunction with our organization, the Wealth and Health Empowerment Network. Now, for those of you that are not familiar with the Wealth and Health Empowerment Network, also referred to as WEN, our organization is totally focused on helping you to achieve total life prosperity. And that is in the areas of both health and wellness, but also entrepreneurship and wealth building. We believe that you're put here on this planet for a divine purpose. There is a reason that you're here, and life is too short to be living unhealthy, lacking vitality and energy, and just not physically living up to your fullest potential, but also in terms of your own personal financial situation. We're totally focused on helping you to take money as an issue out of the way so that you can focus on the things that you're truly passionate about. And we believe that entrepreneurship is the way and the means to achieve that, whatever that goal is, whatever your focus and passion in life is. So what we wanted to do on this upcoming Sunday with our webinar is introduce you to an initiative that we're rolling out over the next several weeks. We are extremely excited about it, and we invite you to join us on this journey. We're actually rolling out a 90-day weight loss challenge that is going to actually take people to that next level. I am extremely excited because I've actually been cheating a little bit. I started on my own weight loss challenge over the past, about 5 days ago, and with some specific supplements that I'm using, I've already lost 2.5 pounds, and it's only been 5 days. So actually 4 days. So I am extremely excited. I can't wait to see what my weight loss has been after 7 days. But what we want to do is actually introduce you to our weight loss initiative. We're encouraging people to get back into the best shape of their lives in a systematic fashion. We're going to be talking about that initiative as well as how that's going to be structured. We're going to have an opportunity for you to win money for losing the most amount of weight. I believe the prize is going to be between $500 to $1,000. So you definitely want to get involved and make sure that you're on our list so that we can update you as things roll out. But also what we're doing on this particular call is we're going to have a special guest by the name of Mr. John Dehart, and he is the Vice President of Sales for an amazing natural health supplement company, which is actually the supplements that I'm currently using. By the name of the company is called Drink ACT, and they have a weight loss program which is called Game On. It is a variety of supplements that are all natural, all herbally based, not anything synthetic, and they give you absolutely amazing energy, as well as help your metabolism accelerate so you can accelerate your weight loss. So we're going to be talking to him about the Game On system, some of those products, and how they can help you to achieve and maintain your optimum health and wellness. So we're extremely excited, and we invite you to join us this upcoming Sunday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So definitely check the link below, get registered, and make sure you are on this webinar because it will truly help you to get your health and your wellness to that next level. And we're just extremely excited about that. So we look forward to seeing you. God bless, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.